Technology has made our world reach greater heights. As the highest form of species on it, we have the biggest responsibility to take good care of each and every single part of it. From cutting off trees for buildings, mountains for exclusive subdivisions to vehicles that release harmful gases, our world has changed. And our never-ending affinity for technological advancement is the one who triggered it. This is Juan. Juan is very fond of the revolutionary improvements of our tech, along with millions of people that are into technology today. But as time goes by, humans unconsciously neglect nature in exchange for a comfortable lifestyle. People choose to stay in their homes and use their modernized devices rather than spend time outside and reconnect with nature. However, Juan, unlike other people, uses technology wisely.
Technology is great. It makes humans' work easier. But depending too much on it is bad, not only for us, but also to our environment. Modern nature requires a fair consensus towards a balance between technology and caring for our environment. It is not necessary to throw technology away for nature or nature for technology. Since technology had already developed our system of living, let us use it for our own good and for Mother Earth. Because I strongly believe that technology can save nature with its proper use. Encourage everyone you know in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and other social media accounts that you have. With great people coming up with great ideas in improving our technology, it is not impossible to do so. Some predicted that Earth will be nothing but a deserted land without water and oxygen to breathe in the future. Our home is dying with the slow torture that we are giving. Are you willing to wait until such time comes before you act?